Welcome back to the TV tour part. I'm working on taking this off. I already took off that corner and that corner. They're right here. This is all the copper that came out of it so far. Back here. Give myself some more room here. Alright, and now I'm going to take this off both corners. I always want to know what socket it is. It's 1332. Socket. Don't need nothing on the other end. All you gotta do is just keep cranking it. You can hold it so it don't move. Other than that, it just comes right off. Keep the fingers back so it don't go smash. And the other end don't move. It just sits there. But the only thing that moves on there is the lock washer on the nut. And to screw it back on, it'll stay together. And do the same thing with this one. I already broke it loose, so just gotta untie it. But that booger don't want to come off. Get that off. Put it back on. That's 4 out of 4. Now I'll go around and try to loosen it up. Get the back sides all loosen. Get the back side loosened up. As you can hear, it's all glass. The only thing I'm breaking off is that steel plate. And that's what's holding it on. With a piece of rubber in between that and the glass. The worst thing to do is bust that glass everywhere. And I don't want that. Nobody likes to bust glass everywhere, so they gotta walk on it. Not just on themselves, but their friends, family, dog, cat, whatever animal you have around. Especially kids, if you got family that have a bunch of kids and wants to come over and hang out. Starting to get a little easy, but not that easy. Once you get it loose, you can get it more down. No, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you all dance like a dog or a trampoline or whatever you want to call it. Didn't mean to make you dance. If I really want to, I can cut it. But I might have to if I can't get it off. That's just option B. And let's try to see if I can get it off first. Option B will be cutting it if I can. Seems like option B might be coming very soon. Maybe not. Depends on how much I get off this rubber. As you can see, the more I pull, you can see rubber down in there, all the way around. So that's what's holding it in place, keeping me from sliding it off. If I go backwards with it, it's gonna hit this lip. And there is no lip at all in the front part. Just gotta get it loose. I'll let you know once I get closer to the end. Thanks for watching.